bit like half of the...
Code 17, please. Code 7, call station 17, please.
17, please. Hello, Buccaneers. We are in Cypress, California for the grand opening of Hobby Lobby Hobby. This is an arts and crafts store that offers the best in project, party, and home supplies. Ooh, look, you have these. This is our first time inside a Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby Lobby. Ornaments and Santa Claus! It's only September and they're already selling Christmas stuff. This is the largest reef I've ever seen. I bet half of this store is full of Christmas stuff. It's a tree cone. Oh, Twinkle. Here, wear your dunce cap. Wear your ice cream cone. Stuff in my butt. We found a Willy Wonka puzzle. Brother discovered his favorite product. That's more. And his least favorite. I don't like stickers. I don't like them. Happy birthday to nobody.
Code 7, register 10, please. Code 7, register 10, thank you.
My dad will like this model. Back to the future. Wow, it's so soft. Okay, I thought half of the store was Christmas stuff, but I guess it's only a quarter of the store. Thanksgiving. No, it says thankful. Let's see how tall you are, brother. Hoppy, loppy, uppy, uppy, loppy, uppy. I'll go just for the tentacles. Tentacles! I'm gonna hypnotize brother. Wow. Let's do it. Hey, look at all the heads. I'm coming to get you. We had so much fun at Hobby Lobby. Please hit the subscribe button and remember to look for your own adventure.